So welcome to the Hackfest. Okay, my name is Gerardo Garcia. I'm the TSC chair of OSM, and I'm going to introduce a little bit the context of the Hackfest. So this is the first Hackfest that we are doing for developers. I mean, the previous Hackfest more kind of tutorial or oriented to understand how to create BNF packages, etc. Okay, but this is the first one that is oriented to develop something for OSM. So you will find out that there are different challenges that you will, let's say, subscribe, and you will decide what to do. Okay, and well, we hope that you could learn a lot from this experience. So the main objectives are basically you will learn, we hope that you could learn about how, well, obviously basic knowledge about OSM, how to install OSM, what's the architecture, how to use OSM, some tooling that is typically used in open source projects and in development like Git, Tox, Gerrit, Jenkins, and also a way of working for an open source project, how to contribute code, how the Git review of the code works, the automated testing, etc. And hopefully, if things go well and you are successful, you will contribute to OSM project with bug fixes or small features or some unit tests or something that you will find out. You will find out different challenges, and then you will see what there are things related to bug fixes, small features, but I think you will find them pretty interesting. So this is the people that will assist in the Hackfest. We have module development leads that are responsible for specific modules, like Gulsum and Guillermo. You will have Mark and me as part of the TSC, Technical Steering Committee, and you will also have the help from Pedro, Chiara, and Davide as experts here that will assist you in case you have any question. So, for instance, previously there was a question from a person in the room about how to register with an EOL account. So this is the kind of questions that you will be assisted to be answered. Okay. The requirements for participants, well, you have brought probably your own laptop. It's recommended you have Ubuntu 22, but if you have Windows 10 or higher, it's also possible. But it's better to have an Ubuntu 22. Okay, and we are going to develop everything in Python, so it's important that you know about Python. This is the list of resources that we have prepared. We have a wiki page. We have an Etherpad. The Etherpad is kind of a collaborative tool to edit documents, or kind of lightweight. Okay, so that you could post your questions there, or maybe we could capture there some information that could be relevant for you. We have also Slack. Slack is kind of Teams but open source. Okay, it's just to create things that we could talk and share our impressions. We have a Slack channel, Hackfest. We also have the agenda in here, and the presentations will be uploaded in the FTP. We are going to use also the support of a Google Classroom for some forms and surveys that we will do. And finally, a Google spreadsheet where we will get all the details for the environment. Okay, this is the agenda for the 5 days. We have the first day we have concentrated all the, let's call, theory. Okay, and the rest days will be focused on development. And the 3 days for development are typically organized in sessions where you have time to code, okay, and also some sessions where you will meet with mentors that will come from the meeting. We are, at the same time of this Hackfest, we are having our plenary meeting and our technical session, so we will jump from the meeting room here to help you and answer some questions. We will have, of course, the experts, Davide, Chiara, and by the way, Davide, Chiara, and Pedro, raise your hands so that they know you. The 3 of them are there. So, well, they will assist you, but we will jump in here and we could answer any question that is not clear. And on Wednesday we have here the ecosystem day. I have not copied that. You will have it in the team app. Let me show you here also. If I go here to the resources, the team app is the agenda. You see here we have the ecosystem day. Okay, so all the purple sessions here are the ones related to the Hackfest, and the orange one is the ecosystem day. I think that the ecosystem day will take place here, if I'm not wrong. think that it's in this same room. So that's why, well, we will have it here. The way of working, as I was mentioning before, 1 day for theory, 3 days for hacking. The hacking will be driven by what we call challenges. They will be, that's the main point of the Hackfest. You will be organized in groups or pairs, or in pairs, or individually, as you prefer, to solve the challenges. You will meet with the mentors 2-3 times daily. And well, experts will, as I was mentioning before, experts will assist you on site, and you will have a dedicated OSM instance to play. We have a final day for presentations and wrap up, and if there is any need for that, we could arrange potential follow-up in our weekly tech calls that we have on Thursdays. This is the schedule for day 1, for today. We have several theory sessions, and finally at the end we have the presentation of the challenges and the challenges distribution. The challenges, that's the main part of this Hackfest, right? Challenges are small work items that are expected to be self-contained and achievable in this time frame. It could be bug fixes, new features, or well, almost anything that could be done in these 3 days and a morning, right? Well, each challenge will have a mentor, and you will have clear instructions or some steps on what to do, and you will also be able to ask some questions, okay? And the idea is that, in principle, with every challenge, you will have the possibility to see intermediate and solid progress. So the idea is that you are not desperate, let's say, and you are seeing that you are actually achieving some progress as you move on, okay? These are the 8 challenges that we have thought. We will go into details later on, but these are the challenges, okay, that you will see. There are with different modules, different mentors, and different levels of difficulty, okay? We will comment the details of the Hackfest challenges later on in the afternoon. And finally, well, the recognition, we will provide a certificate for participation to all the participants in this Hackfest, but also we will give public recognition in social networks, in our blog, and also, well, we're thinking if probably also we could make a reference also in LinkedIn for participants that complete a challenge successfully. Okay, so well, that's the idea. That's what I had regarding the introduction. Thank you.